Even as the virus spreads to new hotspots across the country, New York remains the epicenter of this outbreak, with nearly 40% of all cases nationwide. Kathy Park has the very latest on what's expected to be the toughest week yet, and we want to warn you that some images are upsetting.
Disturbing images outside this Brooklyn hospital as bright orange body bags roll out to temporary morgues. Another reminder that frontline workers in New York City are deep in a fight without a clear end date.
We're doing our best, but we don't know when's it our time to face the consequences of, dealing with this every day and not, feeling like we're completely safe.
Today, Governor Andrew Cuomo saying the state may be nearing the peak or the plateau of the crisis. He added that New York saw a dip in daily coronavirus deaths, but warns it may be a blip.
What is the significance of that? It's too early to tell.
But with the death toll now passing the 4,000 mark, the federal government is deploying the military to help. Among the more than 1,000 doctors, nurses, and support staff called into action, approximately 300 are arriving in New York City today.
The bulk of them will go to the Javed Center. And then as of late yesterday, we agreed to deploy a few hundred of them to 11 New York City hospitals that are also seeing a deficiency when it comes to medical staff.
With a heightened public health emergency, the Javed Center turned temporary hospital has shifted to treating COVID-positive cases. And the Department of Defense is weighing the risk of taking on coronavirus patients on hospital ships, including the USNS Comfort, which has been nearly empty for a week.
That's why we've opened up the Javed Center and the other expanded hospitals around the country for coronavirus, and we're prepared to leverage the Mercy and Comfort as well to do that.
The Defense Secretary also announcing in a memo that all personnel on DoD installations, facilities, and property must now wear face coverings. And in another turn, a defense official confirming to NBC News that Captain Brett Crozier will remain in quarantine at Naval Base Guam for 14 days. This week, he was fired for sounding the alarm about a coronavirus outbreak on the USS Theodore Roosevelt. The New York Times reports that Crozier tested positive for the virus. The Navy would not confirm this information.
And earlier this week, Mayor Bill de Blasio warned that the city would run out of critical supplies starting today, but they were able to secure more that will now last through midweek.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.